Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of Instantly AI and SmartLead AI, two of the most powerful cold outreach platforms on the market right now in 2025. In this video, I'll take you through everything you need to know, from the features, the pricing, the pros and cons of each, and then we'll wrap it up with a balanced conclusion about which one might be the best for you in 2025. Let's get started. Instantly.ai brands itself as an all-in-one cold outreach system with a strong focus on scalability and automation. Think of it as a platform that not only lets you send unlimited emails across multiple accounts, but also gives you a massive B2B lead database, advanced AI personalization, CRM-like features to track your pipeline, and even a unified inbox to manage replies in one place. It's built for people who want to turn cold outreach into a predictable, repeatable growth engine. On the other hand, we have SmartLead.ai. While Instantly focuses heavily on scaling email, SmartLead.ai takes a broader multi-channel approach. Yes, it does email extremely well, but it also integrates SMS, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and even web chat into your campaigns. So that means you can reach prospects on the platforms they actually use every day. It has automated warm-up, advanced deliverability tools, AI-driven personalization, and powerful integrations with CRMs and workflow automation platforms. So while Instantly positions itself as a cold email powerhouse, SmartLead presents itself as a multi-channel growth operating system. Both are impressive, but they serve slightly different types of businesses. So let's go into more detail by talking about the main features of both platforms. We start with Instantly.ai. Lead sourcing and enrichment. You have access to over 450 million B2B leads with filters for industries, job roles, and revenue sizes. AI also enriches the leads with verified emails. Unlimited sending and warm-up. You can connect unlimited domains and mailboxes with built-in warm-up so that your emails actually land in inboxes. Unified inboxes. Instead of jumping across multiple accounts, Instantly pulls all replies into one dashboard with AI suggesting the responses. AI co-pilots and analytics. It personalizes emails, runs A/B tests, tracks conversion rates, and even ties activity back to revenue. Sales Accelerator and Community. It offers templates, strategies, and a private community support, especially useful if you're new to cold outreach. Now let us talk about the main features of SmartLead.ai. Multi-channel outreach. It goes beyond email. It lets you add SMS, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp messages in your campaigns. Deliverability tools. Automated warm-up, smart sending patterns, and dedicated server options designed to keep you out of spam. AI personalization and lead scoring. AI generates unique, personalized email copy, and lead scoring prioritizes prospects most likely to convert. Smart infrastructure. Tools like smart servers and smart senders help manage multiple domains and mailboxes with ease. Integrations and CRMs. It works seamlessly with popular CRMs like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive, plus Zapier and Make for custom workflows. What is the pricing of both platforms like? We start with Instantly.ai. There's a plan for outreach, which is the cold emails, super search, and CRMs. Now there are different prices. The outreach, which is the most common one that you might want to use for cold emailing, start at $30 per month, which is the growth plan. Now there are higher plans, and the pricing varies. You get a discount when you pay yearly, while the prices go slightly up when you pay monthly. How about SmartLead? It has a 14-day free trial on any of the plans, but there's a basic plan at $39 per month, a pro plan at $94 per month, and a custom plan at $174 per month onwards. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with the pros. For Instantly AI, huge lead database with enrichments, AI-powered personalization and analytics, and unlimited sending with strong deliverability tools. How about the pros of SmartLead? Multi-channel outreach beyond just email. It's inclusive, simple pricing structure, and strong focus on deliverability. How about the cons? For instantly.ai, pricing can get expensive fast, and the pricing is one of the major deals. And for SmartLead, it can feel more complex to set up new users, and the email templates and sequences are less rich when compared to the ones on instantly.ai. So who wins in 2025? If your business lives and breathes email, you want to access a massive B2B lead database, smart analytics, and an ecosystem that is built specifically for cold emailing, then instantly.ai is a fantastic choice. But if your strategy involves more than just email, you want to try other things, SmartLead.ai is the one with the multi-channel campaign. Its deliverability first approach, multi-channel capabilities, and straightforward pricing make it especially attractive for sales teams that want to scale outreach beyond just the inbox. So ultimately, the best choice comes down to your business model. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Reply.io, Apollo.io, and Woodpecker. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.